Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and open up Spotify. Choose the playlist that you would like to create your Spotify code with. Hit the three dots and go up to share. Select copy link. And now we're ready to head over to my YouTube video to go get the Spotify code link. It's in the description. So select my video, scroll up, and there it is, Spotify codes. Just select the link and it's going to open up. Mine opened up in Chrome. Yours may open up in Safari. It really doesn't matter. I want you to make sure you remove the code that is already in the search box. And I want you to paste by long pressing and paste the code that we just got from Spotify. Select get code. Now I will change my format from JPEG to SVG because I'm going to cut it out using my Cricut or Silhouette machine. But if you're going to do a print and cut feature, feel free to leave it as it is. So there's the code. The way I'm going to save it is by taking a screenshot because I want to save it to my photo album. I'm going to go ahead and crop out all this extra space. You don't have to do that. That's just something that I do. I'm going to save it to my camera roll. And now I'm going to head back over to Spotify to show you that when scanned, my playlist will open. So let's go ahead and close it out and start fresh. We're going to select search. We're going to select the camera. And it gives you an option to select from camera roll. And that's what I did. I'm going to choose. And as you see, my playlist opened right up. Please remember, these are copyrighted music, and I am not going to play them. I am just here to show you the steps. So now I'm going to show you that when I scan it, it's going to do the same thing. So let's go ahead and close out Spotify. So we're going to start fresh. We're going to hit search. We're going to go back to the camera, and now on my iPad, I'm going to open up the link, and it scanned it. And there it is. It opened up. Just that easy. I hope this helped. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you in creating your Spotify code with a playlist. If you have any further questions, please leave them below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.